When it comes to living a greener life at home, most of us believe we're already doing our part. The recycling bin is always full, reusable shopping bags hang by the door, and switching off lights is second nature. But beneath the surface of these good habits, countless homes are hiding wasteful secrets. Tiny leaks, outdated systems, and overlooked opportunities for sustainability. These hidden drains not only impact the environment, but also quietly siphon away your hard-earned money. Today, let's uncover 7 secret green hacks that you're probably not using at home. Hacks that can transform your space, your wallet, and your impact on the planet.
Let's start where invisible waste often happens, your thermostat. It's easy to set a temperature and forget it, but this simple act could be costing you more than you think. Most homes keep their interiors comfortable all day, even when no one is home. Why pay to heat or cool an empty house? The answer is a programmable or smart thermostat. Unlike traditional models, these devices allow you to set specific schedules, lower the heat or raise the AC when you're away, and have the temperature perfect right before you return. Beyond comfort, this single upgrade can slash your annual heating and cooling costs by up to 15%. That's real savings. Plus, it reduces the strain on your HVAC system, extending its lifespan and shrinking your carbon footprint. It's a small change that makes a big difference.
Next, let's take a closer look at your windows. Even if they look fine, chances are they're leaking air through tiny, almost invisible gaps. You may have felt that draft in winter or noticed a hot spot in summer. The sensation is your climate-controlled air escaping outdoors. The solution begins with a simple, affordable DIY project, weather stripping and caulking around every window. This can be done in an afternoon and pays off immediately in comfort and savings. If your windows are older or you're ready for a major upgrade, consider double or triple glazed windows. These feature multiple layers of glass with insulating gas in between, dramatically reducing heat loss and gain. While the initial investment is higher, the energy savings are permanent and substantial. By stopping the leaks, you keep your money and warmth inside.
Now, let's talk about your water heater, something most homeowners rarely think about. If you have a traditional tank water heater, you're paying to keep dozens of gallons of water hot all day, every day, whether you use it or not. It's like leaving your oven on just in case you want a cookie. The greener, smarter alternative is a tankless water heater, which heats water only when you need it. These systems are up to 34% more efficient for average homes and can save you nearly $100 a year. They also last much longer, often 2 decades compared to the 10 to 15 years of a tank. With a tankless system, you enjoy endless hot water and a smaller carbon footprint, making it a wise, long-term investment.
Moving upward, let's address the forgotten frontier, your attic. Heat rises and without proper insulation, escapes right through your ceiling and roof. In summer, the attic can become a heat trap, forcing your AC to work overtime. Adding or upgrading attic insulation is one of the most effective ways to conserve energy, maintain comfort, and lower utility bills. Sustainable insulation options like recycled cotton, cellulose, or recycled glass provide excellent performance while minimizing environmental impact. Energy auditors consistently rank attic insulation as one of the highest return improvements for any home. Think of it as wrapping your house in a cozy, sustainable blanket that works year-round.
Water usage is another area where waste often goes unnoticed. Every day, we use gallons of clean, drinkable water to flush toilets, a practice so routine we rarely question it. The easiest first step is to install low-flow fixtures, such as modern faucets, shower heads, and toilets. These devices dramatically reduce water consumption without compromising performance. For a revolutionary upgrade, consider a gray water recycling system. These systems capture gently used water from showers, tubs, and washing machines, filter it, and redirect it to toilets for flushing. This can cut household water use by up to 45%, turning waste into a resource and easing the strain on local water supplies. While gray water systems may sound complex, newer models are accessible and increasingly affordable, making them a powerful option for green-minded homeowners.
Let's challenge the myth that new is always better. Renovation often means tearing out old materials and replacing them with brand new ones, a process with significant environmental costs, from deforestation to manufacturing pollution and overflowing landfills. Instead, embrace reclaimed and sustainable materials. Reclaimed wood from old buildings adds character and history to your home. Rapidly renewable materials like bamboo or cork offer durability and style. Recycled steel and glass can be used for structural elements and countertops, infusing your space with uniqueness while reducing waste. Opting for these materials preserves natural resources, reduces landfill impact, and gives your home a story you can be proud of.
Finally, let's uncover the ultimate green hack, hidden right on your roof: solar panels. Most homes rely on an aging electrical grid powered by fossil fuels, locking you into rising energy costs and a larger carbon footprint. Solar panels offer a way out, allowing you to generate your own clean electricity. While the upfront investment can be significant, the return is undeniable. Lower or eliminated electricity bills, increased home value, and protection against future energy price hikes. Government incentives, such as the Residential Clean Energy Credit, can offset up to 30% of the installation cost, making solar more accessible than ever. Installing solar panels is more than an upgrade. It's a declaration of energy independence and a commitment to a sustainable future.
Transforming your home doesn't mean achieving perfection overnight. It's about making intentional choices, seeing hidden opportunities for savings and sustainability everywhere. Whether you start with a $10 roll of weather stripping or begin planning for solar panels, every step brings you closer to a healthier home, a healthier planet, and a healthier budget. The journey starts with a single decision. Which hack will you choose first?
Remember, your home is filled with potential for positive change. Share your own secret green hacks with others, and together, we can build a community of knowledge and support. Every action, no matter how small, adds up to a big impact. Let's make our homes not just places to live, but places that actively contribute to a better world.